Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub Actions for CI/CD. GitHub Actions helps automate tasks like testing, building, and deploying your projects whenever you update your code. So let's get started. First, open your GitHub repository. Click the Actions tab at the top of the page. Here, you can choose a ready-made workflow template or create your own by clicking Set up a workflow yourself. GitHub Actions workflows are created using YAML files inside the .github/workflows folder. Now, define when your workflow should run, such as when you push new code or create a pull request. Next, add steps for your automation process. For example, you can check out your code, install dependencies, run tests, and build your application. After creating your workflow, click Commit Changes to save it. GitHub will automatically run the workflow based on your settings. You can monitor your workflow by opening the Actions tab, where you can view successful runs, errors, and detailed logs. With GitHub Actions, you can make your development process faster and more reliable by automating repetitive tasks. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use GitHub Actions for CI/CD. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more GitHub and developer tutorials. See you in the next one.